and welcome back to another episode of Tutorials with Teddy. On today's episode, we're going to take a deeper look at the, not new, but newly refreshed 2019 Mazda Miata. So in addition to the increase in power, up from 155 horsepower to 181 horsepower, keeping the torque the same, Mazda has really done a great job of being able to get a little bit more power throughout the entire power band. Not only do we get a little more power, but we get an increased red line to 7,200 RPM. So the 2019 Miata that we're going to look at today is going to be a club. Not only is it going to be a club, it's a club finished in Mazda's signature ceramic metallic. But what's unique about this vehicle is that Mazda has added the addition of RECARO seats to the already popular Brembo BBS brake package. So in addition to the seats maintaining their heated seating elements, Mazda also incorporated the signature BOSE audio into the headrests. In addition to them being made by RECARO, they are going to be finished in a really soft leather and Alcantara combination. They are a little bit wider, so if you are someone that is not the typical 5'10", 170 pounds like myself, it fits you pretty nicely. Nice firm bolstering on the sides. Moving on to the side of the vehicle, you're going to notice in addition to the club standard front lip spoiler, Mazda has added the Aero Kit, which gives you an aggressive side skirt extension as well as a rear diffuser. They are going to be finished in a nice gloss black, adding a little touch of class to the vehicle, pairing really nicely with the rear deck lid spoiler, and then the BBS forged alloy wheels. Now they are going to be finished in a really dark gunmetal finish to them. I personally think that they look absolutely amazing, especially with the nice bright accented rear brake calipers and the front Brembo brake calipers. Now Mazda did not necessarily say that the Brembo brakes brake harder, but what they are going to do is they're going to reduce any kind of fatigue over extended periods of braking. So if this is something that you're interested in or would like to take a better look at, feel free to come on down to Mazda of Bedford. We're located at 11 Broadway Avenue, or give us a call at 440-439-2323. And if email's your thing, email us at hello@mazdaofbedford.com.